Hello everyone, and today you finally get to meet my brother. This is Xander, and he likes food. Yeah, isn't that gonna hurt you? Okay, so let's give this little dude an interview. Xander, what is your favorite color? He likes green. What is your favorite animal?
Dogs.
His favorite animal is dogs. Who's your favorite sister, me or Annika?
You.
Duh. What's your favorite chocolate?
Mint.
Do you like cherries?
Yes.
Oh, in the car. You told me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. No.
And why is that?
My watcher said chocolate.
Yep. I said to him in the car, do you like cherry ripe? And he said, no. And I said, why? It's delicious. He said, oh, I thought you were talking about the fruit. And I said, you don't like the fruit, but it's delicious. And then he says, because it's not a chocolate.
What's wrong with that?
You've got felt pen all over your lips. That is not a lollipop. That is a pencil. Common sense, buddy. It's got one of these. Ooh, touched it.
I'm gonna go get some cheese.
What about my interview?
I'll come back after.
That'll be too loud. I'll pause this until he comes back. So, yeah. He's back, everyone. And there was no cheese. So we got yogurt. Oh, that was disgusting.
No.
Well, I think you've seen enough of him. He's quite a boring person.
No.
Bye.
Nah.
Yes.
Nah.
Yes.
I eat my glue. What?
Ugh.
What?
Hey.